Hello, so this is what we are doing for our 9-15, our at-home remote learning. Okay, this is what we were going to be doing in class, so I need you guys to make sure that you get this done today. Okay, so I gave you in Google Classroom, you have your instructions for the day. Okay, so your instructions for the day, you're going to first open your Harnessing Human Energy notebook, and you are going to go to the vocabulary slide and make sure you have sentences for the words potential energy, kinetic energy, energy, and system. And remember, we're using those words in a sentence. So you're going to write a sentence with using the word potential energy, kinetic energy, energy, and system on your vocabulary slide in your notebook. Okay, and your notebook can be found in Google Classroom, and it's titled Harnessing Human Energy Notebook. Then from there, you're going to go to your key concepts slide for chapter 1. You are going to find the 2 key concepts that say when something is moving, it has kinetic energy, and when something has the ability to make things move or change in the future, it has potential energy. In those 2 boxes next to your key concept, you are going to write how you observed these 2 key concepts in class. So you should have already done this once with our energy system, so you're just going to do this again. So in your notebook on the key concepts in these boxes, you are going to write how you observed it in class. Now remember, if you need to create a text box, you come up to this little box that has a T in it, you click on it. From there, you can make your text box where you want to type. Okay? So that is the first part of your activity for the day. The second part, you are going to click here to watch the notes, okay? And this will be read once I upload the video. Once you click there to watch the notes, it's going to take you to our Jamboard. Our Jamboard, I explain this to you, so it's important that you watch the video so that you understand what is on this Jamboard, okay? This is walking through the claims that you need to know and understand before you do your investigation activity for the day. Okay, so the next step you do is you're going to watch the video notes and you should see the Jamboard. Then from there, the next step you're going to do is you are going to complete the investigation activity, how do objects get energy? It says this activity, the activity directions and data table are found below on the next page. Make sure to scroll down. So we're going to scroll down. When we scroll down, here's our investigation activity. How do objects get energy? Right here is your link for the Amplify Sim. Okay. Your goal today is to collect evidence to support or refute, which means to go against the claims about how objects get energy. Directions. Decide which 2 claims you will investigate in the sim. So you only have to investigate 2 claims. There's 3 claims total. You're going to investigate 2 claims. One of the claims you are going to investigate is going to be the claim that you agree with. I'm going to say that again. One of the claims that you are going to investigate is going to be the claim that you agree with. If you would like, you can investigate all 3. So I'm going to put this right here. One claim must be the one you agree with. Okay? Then, number 2, think about what you need to see in the sim to support or refute the claim. This Jamboard that I've created are things that you need to see in the sim in order to know if the claim is supported or refuted, going against, proven wrong. Okay? Finally, fill in the data table below with your findings. Okay? So, here are your 3 claims. Objects can make their own energy. Objects get energy from other objects that have energy. And only living things have energy. So the very first thing you're going to do is in this claim box, you are going to type which claim you think is the one that, which claim are you going to investigate first. So I personally think that number 2 is the claim. So I'm going to investigate number 2 first because I think number 2 is correct. Okay? Objects get energy from other objects that have energy. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Amplify in my sim, and I'm going to investigate if this claim is true or not. So if I go over to my Jamboard again, I'm going to remember that if this is true, what I need to see in the sim is I need to have at least 2 objects. So remember, in the sim, you always need to start with an energy source. Your energy source can count as an object in your sim this time. Okay? And then you remember you drag these devices up into here. To see if the object has energy, you will press Run. Okay? Once you create your system and it has energy, you're going to take a screenshot. Even if it doesn't have energy, you're still going to take a screenshot and you're going to explain what you observed. So I'm going to explain what I'm seeing here. I can also explain it by coming over here. Let me move me up real quick. So if I wanted to explain in depth what I'm seeing, I can say the amount of energy that was transferred in, the amount of energy that was in the system, and the amount of energy that was transferred out. And also I want you to focus on what kinds of energy were transferred out and what types of energy was transferred in. What kind of energy did we start with? Okay, these are all things you're going to observe. And then you're going to answer the question, does the evidence support or refute the claim? So this is your evidence. Does this evidence support or refute your claim? And remember, in science, we answer in complete sentences. So if it does, you would say, yes, my evidence supports my claim. Okay? Your observation, what did you observe? Complete sentences, please. Your screenshot. Remember, if you need to do your screenshot, there is a video on how to do that in your notebook on the resource page. Okay? Then you are going to do it one more time. You're going to pick another claim that you want to investigate. You're going to write your claim, take the screenshot, explain what you see in the sim, and then explain if the evidence that you found in the sim either supports the claim or refutes, goes against, proves wrong the claim. All right? That is your goal for the day. When you are done, you are turning this all in onto Google Classroom. I hope you have a great day. I'm so sorry that I couldn't see you in person, but hopefully we can get through this together. Okay? Stay safe. Don't go outside unless you need to. The smoke is super bad today. All right? Email me if you have any questions.